Sometimes we might run into inequalities that are not in slope-intercept form. We can handle these inequalities much like we did linear equations. We can try and solve this inequality for y. First, I subtract x from both sides to get negative 4y is less than or equal to negative 12 minus x. I'm going to rearrange the terms here. So I'll have negative 4y less than or equal to negative x minus 12. Notice that the sign in front of the term stays with it. The x is still negative as before, and this 12 is still negative as before. Finally, we divide every term by negative 4. Here's where we need to be very careful. We're dividing by a negative, and this is an inequality symbol. Just like from before, we know we need to reverse the inequality sign. The other thing we want to watch out for are the negatives on the other side. A negative divided by a negative makes a positive, and the same is true here. So we're left with y is greater than or equal to 1/4 x plus 3. And don't forget about that 1 as the coefficient in front of x. That's how we can get positive 1/4. Now that we have this inequality, we can graph it just like before. We'll start by plotting the line, then we'll determine whether or not that line should be dashed or solid. And finally, we can determine the region by using a test point. We plug in a point to see if it makes the inequality true. If it does, we want that region. If not, we'll take the other one.